In this video, learn how to download Screensaver and set. Open browser and type Screensaver for Windows 11 inches in the Google search bar. Go to Screensaver's Planet link. Once you find the screensaver you like, click on the download button or link associated with it. File downloaded in the download window, open file. Extract the file flique.scr on the desktop. Right-click on Screensaver file. From the context menu, go to Install. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop and select Personalize from the context menu. In the Personalization Settings window, click on Lock Screen. In the Lock Screen settings, click on Screensaver Settings. The Screensaver Settings window will open. Here, you can choose a screensaver from the drop-down menu under Screensaver.